For students who are referred for a comprehensive evaluation, we can continue to use this ISIL Riot organizational framework to address the multiple sources of data required for evaluation and identification of a student suspected of having a specific learning disability. We're not creating new procedures. We can continue using existing frameworks. This slide deck illustrates how we can map the required screening and evaluations for an SLD evaluation onto the Riot ISIL matrix. We begin with the matrix as you were first introduced to it in Module 2. Remember also that all evaluations begin with a review of existing data. So it's entirely possible that much of this data is already available to the IEP team. So we begin with review. Some of the examples of the required screenings and evaluations that would go under the area of review are hearing and vision screenings, summaries of conferences with parents, attendance, grades, outcome assessments, interventions and progress monitoring data, and the social and developmental history. Within the interview, we interview teachers in content areas of need and in content areas of strength, parents, students, and any other relevant school staff. We observe in the learning environment. We observe the student in specific relevant settings where the problem is most likely or least likely to occur, looking at both functional and academic skills. And then we test. We may have existing test data. We have common formative assessments. We have our progress monitoring data. We have universal screening data. We have interim and benchmark assessments. We have norm referenced assessments. We may have some diagnostic assessment data, but this is an important area that we added to the SLD policy that was not previously there to address that instructional model of an RTI-based comprehensive assessment. That we really want to get at where are the strengths and needs of the student and what is needed to enable the student to learn so that we can immediately begin providing targeted and precise instruction at the right level matched to the student's area of need.